you're going to want to have an extra filter cartridge. And I like to use, this actually comes from Lowe's, this filter cartridge cleaner. You can get them from Walmart, all different kinds, but this is my favorite. Works the best for me. I have 2 filter cartridges. I rotate until I need to replace. We clean each one each time we use them. So there's one in there right now. Okay, so we need to clean this off. And guys, I'm not going to be able to show you exactly how I clean it, but I will give you the idea. My little water hose head, I have all these different things. And to clean the filter cartridge, I like to use the angle. And I will show you why. So when I go on angle, you can kind of see how it goes in that manner. And so when I'm cleaning it, I'm going to hold this while I clean it, and I can show you guys. I'm going to clean it real good in there. And I'll show you how I do that. Maybe on a different video, but I will go ahead and clean it and show you what it looks like when it's done. Okay, so now I have just sprayed it all out. There may be a little bit of stuff in there, but that's okay. Just sprayed it all out with the water. Now I am going to use my spray, and I'm just going to spray this all over. I hold it like this and just spray it up and down all over, and then I let it sit for about 10 minutes with the cleaner on there, and then go back and rinse it all off.